In this lecture, we will discuss about platform security, which is the fourth category of protect function. Platform security has total 6 subcategories. We will discuss in detail how to implement each one of these. First subcategory requires configuration management practices are established and applied. So what you need to do is to develop a comprehensive configuration management policy and relevant procedures. Maintain a configuration management database to track and manage the configurations. You may like to refer clause 21 of our cybersecurity policy to understand the procedures for configuration management and what details are to be captured in CMDB. Second category is about software is maintained, replaced and removed in line with risk assessment. Similarly, third category is about hardware. So, to implement second and third category, what you need to do is to implement a process for regularly updating and patching the hardware and software. To keep the detailed records of all the maintenance activities. To develop a procedure to identify hardware and software that is no longer supported or which is outdated. Develop procedures for secure decommissioning and removal of hardware. You may like to refer clause 25 of template 1, which is about IT assets decommissioning procedures. You may like to use the same template and modify according to your requirement. Fourth subcategory is about log management. What you need to do, very first step, is to create a policy that outlines which type of logs should be generated and what should be their retention period. Also, it is most important to implement a centralized logging solution to aggregate the logs from various sources. Conduct regular reviews of the log records to identify patterns, anomalies and potential security issues. You may like to refer clause 23 of our cybersecurity policy to understand log management procedures. Fifth subcategory is about installation and execution of unauthorized software are prevented. This is very simple. You need to implement a process which ensures that only authorized softwares are installed. So, end users should not have any right to download or install softwares on their machines. Sixth subcategory is about secured SDLC processes. To implement the same, what you need to do is to create a comprehensive SDLC policy. Policies should include use of secure design principles such as least privilege, defense in depth, and secure defaults. Policies should also mandate conduct of code reviews and security audits to ensure adherence to security policies. Also, you need to train your developers, testers, and other relevant employees on secure coding practices and use of security tools. You may like to refer clause 24 of our cybersecurity policy to understand the best practices with respect to SDLC processes. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about fifth category of protect, that is technology infrastructure resilience. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.